Okay, I'm going to show you how to install Python onto your computer. So first of all, start a browser. Type in Python downloads into Google, and you should be given a load of links. The only place you should go to is this one, python.org. Don't download from anywhere else, and essentially don't click on any of these. They will be just confusing to you. Just click on download python.org and you will receive a screen with a couple of buttons: download Python 3, download Python 2.7. We want to download Python 2.7 to match what we use in school. So we click on the link, and you see in the bottom left hand corner that it's starting to download Python, the MSI. Once it's completed, all you need to do is click on the actual wording, Python MSI, and the little run window pops up. Click on run, and then it's going to ask you whether you want to install just for yourself. I wouldn't. I would always install it for all users, and click on next. Basically, you're just going to accept all the defaults. Click next. Where do you want to actually store Python 2.7? It's saying on your C drive in a folder called Python 27. If I take a look, this is my hard drive, C drive, and it's going to create a folder in here called Python 27. So I'm happy with that. Just click next. Then it's going to ask me what I want to install. I'm just going to accept the defaults and click next, and it will take a few minutes to actually work. Now whilst that is installing or going through, I'm going to explain something quickly to you, because I already have Python installed on my system and I don't want to overwrite the version that I've got installed. So if I go back to this screen here showing you what's on my hard drive, my version of Python is here, P27, and when I click on my start menu, choose all programs, and my Python 27 folder, which is already set up, it will come into this folder and start the program. If I put a new version on, which I'm doing, then when I try to run it, it will have one or two difficulties. However, all you will need to do is click on your start, choose all programs, find your Python 27, click on that and choose idle Python GUI, and it should work fine. If it doesn't, you will have to log on as the administrator to the system to run the program. Other than that, there should be no issue. So this is just because I've already got one already installed. Anyway, let's take a look at the setup, how it's going. There you go. It's almost complete. There we go. It's now completed. And notice it's created a Python 27 folder. So when I click on finish, that would be it. Everything's set up now. All you would need to do is click on all programs, and in your Python 27 folder, click on the GUI. Notice I've got one or two issues with this at the moment, which should be sorted out. So if I delete this, so I can just rename it and rename this one back to what it was. There we go. And there we have Python running. Absolutely perfect. So that's all you need to download it. The only other problem, as I said, is if it was this version, the blah version, then you may need to log on as the administrator to the computer. You'll need to see your parents or whoever administers your computer to log you on as that. So that's it. That's downloading Python 27. Where to find it on the start bar, all programs, Python 27. Just my icons seem to have gone missing, but that will repair itself later. And your folder. So that's Python downloaded.